For this lab, we have to get the extensive properties from a specific material. My material was a steel 1018. So we have to make the tension test, which we use this material. Then we use these samples. We can see the rupture. And finally, we have to make some backlights to make the Vickers test and the metallography. And also for the tension test, we have to print the graph for the tension test. The first test was a Rockwell machine. As we can see in the image, we have the results that show the practical result and the investigated result. The practical results are a little above from the investigated, and we can see also the sample with the small indentations of the test. The second test was a Vickers. As we can see in the results, we have a very accurate practice results, since the difference is only like 1.13. For this test, we have to make the backlight sample so we can put it in the Vickers machine. The third test was a Brinell test, and also we can see in the image the sample with the small indentations. We can see that they are round indentations, and in the results, also we can see that they are very, very near to the investigated hardness. The fourth test was the impact test, and we can see in the results that we have the same energy absorbed, that it was 63 foot-pounds in each test. Also, we can see in the image that it was a ductile fracture because of the small pieces that we can see in the images. The fifth test was the tension test. We can see in the image the universal machine and the test of my sample and how it was broken. Also, we can see the results, the experimental results, and the publishing manuals. The experimental results we got it from the formulas we have, and some results we have to get it from the graph we got from the universal machine, like the yield strength and the modulus of elasticity. Finally, I made the metallography. For the metallography, we have to make the bakelite with the press machine and make a chemical attack, so we can see in the microscope the grain size. First, we use the magnification times 100, then 500, and finally 1,000. Also, we have to use the formula shown in the image so we can have the ASTM grain size. I think it was an excellent final practice to make all the extensive properties to a material, because in that way we can practice once again how to use all the machines, how to get the results, analyze them, etc. So it is very important, this final lab, and for my career it is very important, this topic and all the important stuff from the laboratory.